How to copy wallet address in Binance. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can copy the wallet address of any token on Binance. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically here in Binance, almost before I forget, you're going to find the website and sign up links of Binance in the description of this video. So let's continue. This Binance is in a pro version. There is no premium or upgrade. You don't have to pay for this. But I'm going to show you how you can access to this. Okay, so in the upper part to the left, you're going to find like 4 squares for different geometric shapes. And there, as you can see, in the top right corner, I have the option light. So I'm going to switch to light. Now my Binance is going into light. And in light, we don't have the option to copy that wallet address. So you must go again into the 4 squares, and in the top right corner, you have the option Pro. So I'm going to switch to Pro again, because in this way, I'm going to be able to do that. Okay, so at the bottom of my screen, I have 5 options. I'm going to tap the last one, wallets. And there I'm going into these different squares to tap in the second one, deposit crypto. There I must find the token I want to select to receive that money. So by now I'm going to go with the Ethereum, and once you have selected the token, you must select the network. So with Ethereum, the most common network is the ERC20. So I'm going to select the second one. And as you can see, there I have my wallet address. Okay, so let's suppose the last digits of this wallet address are B9D. So I'm going to switch my network and see if the wallet address changes. Okay, no, there's no change on it. But if I'm going to receive through this network, it is necessary that the other person sends you the money through the same network. Okay, so you just have to tap the icon to copy the address, and that's it. And you can do that with any token you want. So for instance, instead of rolling down, I'm going into Bitcoin here. You must select the network, and there it is, your wallet address. And that's it. That's how you can copy wallet address on Binance. Thanks for watching.